Okay, so today we are going to learn on addition and subtraction. So we are going to use this thing called 10 frames. Okay, why is it 10 frame? Because over here there are 10 boxes or 10 squares. So this is 10, this is another 10. So it's called a 10 frame. So firstly, there's two sections. One is addition, one is subtraction. Okay, so if you want to practice addition, we refer to part A. If we want to practice subtraction, we refer to part B. So where is this part A and part B? It's over here. A and B. Okay, so let's start. Number one, put some counters on the 10 frame below. Okay, how many do we have at first? Okay, so let's start off with, let's say
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so how many do we have at first? We have 6 counters at first. So let's practice addition. To practice addition, we refer to part A. How many more do you need to make, let's say, 10? Okay, so here we can use another colored counter. So this is 6.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, since our kids are also familiar with this 10 frame because it's being introduced in school, so they know that they need to fill up till here to make 10. Okay, so how many more do we need to make 10? They actually see they need 4 more. Okay, so 6 plus how many more to make 10, right? So over here, they'll fill up the number 4. Okay? Okay, next. Let's see, I have some counters here. Okay, so how many do we have at first? We have 7 counters. How many more do I need to make, let's say, 12? So we start off with 7. We can show our work here. 7 plus how many more? Why plus? Because we need more counters to make up 12, isn't it? So let's see. So 7,
8, 9, 10, 11.
12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 more. Okay, so this is on addition. Okay, next let's practice subtraction. So for subtraction, we need to refer to part B. And this is part B. They ask how many should you remove. Okay, so let's start with some counters here.
Let's fill up the whole 10 frame over here. And then let's say...
Okay. So how many do we have at first? So they know there's 10. This one, short of 2, so it's 18. Okay. If they can't really see, if your kids can't really see based on this 10 frame, then you can get them to count. Okay, we just take it slow, step by step. So, how many should remove to make something? Okay, so over here, let's say you want 7. Okay, so we start off with 18. We have to remove or take away something, some counters to make 7. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to remove the rest, right? So how many did we remove? 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So we remove 11. Okay, so that's on addition and subtraction. So if your kids are still having problems doing addition and subtraction, okay, probably you can start off using counters or any manipulatives that you can find at home, like small objects like marbles and all that, okay, just to show them what it means by adding as well as subtracting. Okay, so if let's say I say that over here there are 2 counters and then over here there are 3 counters. So how many counters are there all together? Okay, so let them be familiarized with the terms like adding, all together, the total, the sum and all that. Okay, so you can differentiate the words each time when you practice with your child. So 2, over here there's 3. So how many are there all together? So you can bring them together. So all together there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is on addition. For subtraction, it means you can take away or remove. So let's say you start off with 10 counters here. Okay, so 10 subtract 4. What does that mean? 10 take away 4. So you show them the action. Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you remove this, what is left? So there are 6. Okay, so get them to understand the terms. Addition, subtraction, left, fewer, more. Okay, by showing them some actions. Let them understand what the story is about. Okay? All the best!
Visit us at 1Mathstop.fun.